My ex? Who is she? Who is she to me? Yeah, who, what, when, where, why? Now. My ex, a lot of stress. My ex, don't even talk to her. One kid with her. My ex, she had a kid of her own, but it wasn't mine. It was from my marriage she was working on. My ex, my daughter's mom. Exes, got so many exes. Let me add some O's. Let me add some holes to those fractions that give me 100% truth that I would never be any better than I was before. And I wasn't that bad before, so what are we going for? I wanna know B4, but not A2. A2, D1. Falcon cry. Falcon cry. Bird cry. Feel the birds as a bird slide. I bird slide. Bird slide. Bird slide. Bird slide. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. What up, Donald Duck? Quack, 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 quack. Just another bird acting like a duck. What up, duck? Quack, quack. Ask me about the quack, quack. Duck could go